everyone, my name is Advik Hall, and today I am super excited to be unboxing my favorite Christmas present, my Spintronics Kickstarter Edition. This Kickstarter Edition was made by the same company that made my favorite game, that's heavy, Turing Tumble. Let's unbox it. Now that we have opened the box, let's take a look inside. So there's a book here, and it looks just like my Turing Tumble book, which is a story, and to get through it, you have to work some challenges. Let's take a look at the parts now. I think this one is this one's the battery. I wonder what this is for. Do I pull it? Oh. So this is how the battery works. I like that it's manual and there's no like batteries or like cells to help it work. Then these are the base tiles. Looks like there are 3 of them. After that, we have the ammeter. It looks like a gramophone. Then there are 2 switches. Wow. So it seems like it doesn't spin when the switch is up, but when I push it down, it spins like a lock. Then we have 2 junctions. Here. After that, there are 3 resistors. 1, 2, 3. Then we have a capacitor, which is here. Oh, so it says here spin voltmeter. I think that calculates how fast it's spinning. And then there are 6 tile connectors, which I think are to connect the battery to the base tile. And then there's a connector tool, which I think is to lock it. Put that in there and give it a good twist. Then there's this other piece that I don't know about. It makes this clicking sound when you spin it. It's not in the book. Then we have 300 chain links, which I think are to make the chains to connect these. My unboxing of the Spintronics Kickstarter Edition. In my next video, I am going to solve some of the challenges inside the book. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!